Things are coming along, guys. All good. So I have the fan clutch shroud on. Also, I put a oil pan, serpentine belt. All that stuff is in. So last more thing I'm gonna do is I put an oil filter. Pour oil inside, and I'm gonna stop dropping radiator. I bought some couple of more stuff today. I bought some shocks today, some bushings for springs. Also bought our apron for the front. So things are looking good. All right, we're gonna start working. Keep on working. All right, things are got good. I connect radiators, connect the water, connect power steering. This radiator is a little bent, but it'll work for right now. Also, I put the water inside, put a coolant, fan, everything is there. All right, I'll put a battery. I'm gonna see if it fires up.